Welcome to segment 2. Let's talk about school and jobs in 2050. In 2050, kids might not carry heavy school bags anymore. Lessons could happen through virtual reality glasses. You won't just read about history, you'll walk inside it. Teachers will still teach, but technology will help learning become more fun. There will also be new jobs like space engineers, robot doctors, and climate protectors. That's why kids today must learn how to think, create, and solve problems. And most importantly, learn wisdom, kindness, and honesty. School in the future sounds awesome, but learning good values is even more important. Let's move to the soundbite from today's episode. Wow, daily life in 2050 sounds exciting. Next up, our role and values in 2050. Thanks for listening to Chat Express.